Okay, round 2 of the green potato. One was bought in November of 2025. And the second bag was bought, I tried again, I don't know if you can see this, December of 2025. Now they were green, and they still are, and they haven't rotted. They're getting a little bit, not even a little bit soft, a tad little wrinkly, but I made a mistake and watered them from the top when I think I sowed them the first week of June, and then I checked them a couple weeks ago and they were all mush because I was watering from the top. I didn't know any better. Babette from Babette's in the Garden tells me to go watch I have to get his name. It just left me all of a sudden. Terry King, yes. And he was planting some potatoes. His were chitted, meaning the roots were showing. None of mine are showing roots at all. They were sprayed with something. Wouldn't even root. So I want to do another experiment and see if I can get them to grow. I seriously doubt it, but I'm going to give it a try. No more watering from the top. I'll water from below. So, let me get the soil prepared. Alright, so I have 2 potted plants that they died during the winter. So I'm going to reuse the soil for this experiment. So I'm adding bone meal. I don't know if you can read this through the... Yeah, you can. Bone meal and chicken manure. Hen manure to the soil. As Terry said, the roots are at the bottom, so you want to add your mixture to the bottom. So I added 6 of the potatoes that were bought in November and December. I've sort of mixed them up, so probably got some from November and some from January of 2025. Okay, I'm going to put some soil over the top of these. Yeah, I'm going to do that next. Okay, there's the potatoes trial underneath the homemade dome that I made for my garden table. It's not supposed to be watered from the top, watered from the bottom. So there's a green reservoir in there that'll hold the water and keep the topsoil dry. And we'll see if this test works. It's finally raining. Thank goodness. I'm going to show you.